Hello everyone, this is Dietitian Kanchan. To tackle global hunger, today, 16th of October, is celebrated as World Food Day. World Food Day is celebrated to mark the day of Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations, which was founded in 1945. The first World Food Day was celebrated in 1981 with the theme of Food Comes First. Over the years, the theme has changed, but the call to action has always been a zero hunger. This year, the theme for World Food Day is Grow, Nourish and Sustain Together. How can we contribute to the target of zero hunger by 2030? Remember, always take what you can finish. There is no point of overloading your plate and then discarding it in the dustbins. Start using your leftover meals smartly. For instance, leftover dal from dinner can be used next morning for making dal parathas. Instead of discarding surplus food, donate it to the food bank, which can be used and distributed among the needy people. Cook with zero waste as your mantra. Be it a stalk or stem, leaf, skin, try not to waste any part as these contains essential nutrients. For instance, cauliflower stem can be used along with the florets. Thank you.